In my view, the first spineless is Hayat, because do you know she speaks a lot, but she doesn't have any kind of confidence. And whenever someone counters her, so at the time she also doesn't reply. And if we talk about second person, vigilant, so that is of course my brother Shiv, because do you know if you challenge him anytime and anywhere, so either it is of sports, either it is of English, so, he participates and he tries to defeat. Either he doesn't have any kind of knowledge. So that thing I like in him. That's why he is vigilant. And second is skin mate or troublemaker. So that is Nishwat. He doesn't know anything. He also doesn't. Whenever he's in our team, so at the time he tries to give point, but his points are in negative. That's why he makes trouble for us, as well as do you know as well as Yash is also a troublemaker, because do you know whenever they both are in our teams at the time, they just only they are only here to make problems. That's it. And if we talk about Coach Potato, so that is Rishi and this one girl Varsha, because do you know whenever they are in academy, so at the time they feel they are very sleepy, as well as do you know if you see them, so at the time you would also feel you will also start sleeping, because do you know they maybe they come here only for sleeping academy, as well as they also don't have any kind of knowledge, and they also don't give any kind of point. That's why they are Coach Potatoes. And if we talk about confidence with no backup, so that is of course Lakshika and Bhavna, because do you know they have as much confidence that they can defeat everyone, either it is sir or ma'am, but they don't have any kind of knowledge, so they cannot defeat anyone, and they just only have the fake confidence. That's it.
Okay. Next.
So the person who is vigilant, spineless, that is obviously Rishi, because yesterday we could see him that everyone roasted him, but he was being shut, and after some time he spoke, but he spoke whatever he wanted, and it was totally wrong. And vigilant, who is always ready for the challenges, that is Amit and Joy, because I think that if I give any kind of challenge to them, they will say that yes, I am ready, but after some time they will get defeated. That's a different matter, but they are ready for any kind of challenges. That is the reason I think that they are vigilant. And Skin Master, that is troublemaker, you too, because whatever he speaks, no one understands. It creates a new trouble for us, and whatever he speaks, it is out of the world. It is not present in that world. The knowledge which you give, it is not present in this world. That is the reason you create a new trouble at this academy. And Coach Potato, I always know that is Khushi, because I think that she comes here only for, she considers academy as beauty parlor, because she comes here only for cleaning her hairs, combing her hairs. That's the reason I think that she is lazy and she doesn't speak in English. So hands prove you on the thing. Confidence with no backup. That is home. And you too. Whom did I do? Oh, Om. Because he doesn't have any kind of backup. First line he will speak very good, but when it comes to after some time, he will be shut. He will say Virat Kohli is from Sultanpuri, Anushka Sharma is from Patna. She will say anything. He will say anything. And you come like that, you will defeat everyone. But after 2 minutes, you get defeated. That's the reason I think that you both are confident with no backup.
Next.
So, in my opinion, spineless person is firstly Manya and Khushi, because whenever sir say that you have to speak, so they don't speak. And Khushi, she comes only for combing her hair. She makes academy parlor. She doesn't speak in debate. Second word is vigilant. That is obviously Shiv, because he always stand for challenges. He never scared of challenges. Third is skin math. That is Rishi, because whenever he speaks, so his points are very rubbish, because he doesn't give valid point. Fourth is Coach Potato. That is obvious Khushi and Manya, because they both don't speak, and they show that they are not here. They come and they go to home. Fifth is confidence with no backup. That is also Rishi and Harsh, because their points are they speak like firstly they stand and they show that I can defeat anyone. So after 2 minutes they show that they can't do anything.
So in my perspective, the spineless person, like I will take the name of
But and I know because everyone has roasted them, but he never tried to speak, and she never tried to speak, and she never tries to give reply. And second is Vigilant, so he's also Shiv and Om, because he never he thinks that he never can defeat anyone. But I think that he's ready for anything that, but he in English and everything is ready. Third is Skinmate, Troublemaker. He's he, because when he speaks, so he thinks that I can defeat anyone, but he tries to be like that. I don't know anything, but he thinks that when he speaks, so he make our whole team in a trouble. And third is Couch Potato. He's also Kushi, because when he comes, he don't watch how to do practice and how to. He just stands and watch in mirror herself. Confident with no backup. She because she speaks, she tries to speak, but she don't know how to speak. She doesn't know how to speak. She don't know how to give points.
Next.
So in my opinion, spineless person who is in our batch, that is and Varsha. Just because of you can see that whenever we roast her, she never gives her reply. And vigilant person who always ready for challenge, that is Shiv, Om and Joy Bhaiya. Just because of you can give him any kind of challenge at any time, but yet they are ready. And if I talk about Skinmate, who creates the trouble, that Vansh and Nishwat. Just because of you can see that whenever we stand outside, so they shout and they make trouble for us. And if I talk about Coach Potato, that is Manya and Mansi. Just because of you can see that they are mentality here, but they are not exist for someone. But if I talk about confident with no backup, that is Abdul. You can see that he has lots of confidence, but some of the things he does, so that I don't think that there is any kind of benefit of his confidence. So first of all, a spineless person is for me. So she is Arushi, because whenever everyone says him, you are not her. You are now, you don't speak that you used to speak, but she doesn't take her step. And Vigilant, always ready for challenge. So of course Shiv, because everyone says him you are roaster, but and they tries to roast him, but they can't. And Skin made Troublemaker, so that is Yash, because I told him one secret, and he spoiled to everyone, like Nishwat and Yash. He told everyone. And Couch Potato, lazy person, of course. Because she didn't speak any debate, any conversation, that's why. And confidence with no backup, of course. Because he in Sunday debate he said Virat Kohli is from Sultanpuri, and tomorrow he will say Elon Musk is from Patna.
Okay, what I personally think that the spineless person who is that would be. Khushi, why am I saying, like in Paris, even everyone was roasting her. She did not even say anything to us. And if I talk about the Vigilant, who's always for like him and her and her, you know about the CVMO. Why have I taken the name of them? But if I talk about the Tapasya and Bhavna, like they were the class of Sunday, like everyone was roasting them. Still, they were proving themselves. And if I talk about the Skinmate, who always makes trouble, that would be Nishwat. Why am I saying, like we were playing a game, he was making too much noise. Due to that, his team had lost. And if I talk about the Couch Potato, who is lazy, that would be Khushi. Why am I saying she does not even try to speak, and her also. And yeah, what's up? And if I talk about the confidence with no backup, that would be him. Why am I saying, like, as you all have listened from everyone, Virat Kohli was Sultanpuri, and there would be another name whom I think that that would be her. Why am I saying, like, first she does not speak. If she speaks, she does not even give valid points.
Next. You can share balloons if you don't have. Okay. Who is not targeted?
So, in my estimation, spineless person is the girl Varsha. Because we have seen that yesterday we were doing the debate, everyone was roasting her, but still she didn't speak anything. And in any conversation, in debate, everyone says her that you should speak and roast her and bash her, but still she doesn't speak. And Resilient, who's Resilient? For me, she is Resilient because I have seen in our advance and competition, because he never gives up. And Eagle One, he defeated Yoshika and so many things, and he always ready to challenge. Skinmates, who creates troublemaker. For me, she is troublemaker because whenever we do debate and conversation, she makes noise in debate and she interrupts too much. So she is Skinmate. Okay, couch potato. There are so many students in this batch who is couch potato. I don't want to couch potato. I don't want to buzz that balloon. It will be waste for me because everyone is like lazy person in this batch. So confidence with no backup is Lavan, because he has confidence but he doesn't have rational point to speak in debate and in conversation. So he is that person.
Next. Arif guys.
No, I have. Okay, so if I talk about the spineless person who never takes his or her stand, so definitely it is Khushi. If I talk about the debate and conversation, if anyone roasted her, she never takes her stand. And if a person if we roast her very badly, she never takes her stand. And she always speaks whatever she wants to speak, and she speaks without no reason. And the second, Vigilant, who always ready for the challenges. I think that it is Joy and Bhavna too. Because if I talk about any kind of challenges, they always ready for it, and the main thing, they always wake up and smell the coffee. And if I talk about the Bhavna, which kind of whatever you will give her challenge, she will definitely say that I want to complete this, and that's a very good thing. And if I talk about the third, who is the troublemaker, same I want to repeat that. It is Pratiksha. She speaks anything in debate, conversation, but she speaks with full confidence, which I like her. And if I talk about the main second person who is a troublemaker, that is also Bhavna. She speaks anything. I have told her that Bhavna, you don't have to speak this, but she speaks it, and she does like this. And couch potato, lazy person. There are so many, as Anushka ji said, but as I personally think there are only two which I want to tell the name. That is the Khushi and Payal. If I talk about them, they never speak, but they speak sometime. Whenever I say to them that you have to speak, they speak only for the sometime. But if I talk about them, whenever I look at him, even I also feel like that they are sleeping. And if I talk about the lazy person, confident with no backup, there is definitely Lavan. He speaks anything, whatever he wants to speak. Literally, if I talk about his points, whatever he wants to speak in the debate and do, he speaks anything, and he just want to prove himself that he is speaking good. That's enough. And the last person, definitely it's a O, who is a confident with no backup. As Shiv told that he was saying on the Sunday classes at the Virat College from the Sultanpuri and many things, which I think that he has too much confidence, but he speaks whatever he wants to speak. That's the same thing.
Next. Arif guys.
So if I talk about the spineless person, so where is Varsha? Varsha and Manya, because every time they are all of disciples, they are roasting her, but they didn't reply and they don't give any kind of stand at all. So it is. And if I talk about the always ready for taking challenge at all, it's Bhavna and Tapasya. Because if you are sir and ma'am, sir and disciple, they all are giving like any kind of challenge, so they are also keen interested, and they are also giving our 100% at all. If I talk about couch potato, so they are maybe Khushi, Payal and Mansi, because
if I see Mansi, Khushi and Payal, so I feel like they are also sleeping around the clock. And while she is coming academy, I am fixing this one. And if I have confidence with no backup, so obviously is my Payal, because they have a lot of the knowledge, but she didn't have any kind of confidence. That's it.
Sam, pose.
I didn't see her when she speak, and vigilant person is Om and Tapasya, because Om because of his fluency and Tapasya is because of her knowledge. And fourth and third is Scale's mate is Nishwant, because when we were playing a game, because of him we lost our so many points. And couch potato is maybe, what's her name? Mansi, because I never feel her existence. And confidence with no backup is maybe it's Payal, because yesterday she speaks so many points, but she with confidence, and she doesn't know what she is speaking. No one gets her point.
You are laughing, she is not admiring you.
So if I talk about spineless person, you, because she anyone say anything, but she never reply, and she cry, but she never reply. And if I talk about vigilant, so vigilant person, Om and Joy, and because their trio are always ready for challenges. And no, Coach Potato. So you because her voice is very soft and his voice is very soft, and that's why I feel he is very lazy. And if I talk about confident with no backup, so no, Om. So Om, because he has lot of confidence, but the points were not valid.
Who is a spineless person? So definitely Pratiksha. Because of whenever he speak and he doesn't she doesn't have any kind of knowledge. Anyone can roast, so she doesn't have a point of counter for him. So if I talk about vigilant person, so of course Alexa and Amit brother, because of he has a knowledge. They have a knowledge about everything. And if I talk about troublemaker, so because of they in previous he speak well, then now he is speaking, he doesn't speak because of he doesn't have a knowledge and he doesn't do practice. That's it. If you talk about couch potato, so what is his name? Manya, because of she speaks well, but she doesn't have a knowledge and she is too lazy. If I talk about couch potatoes, who is confident without so of course her, because of she speak well, but she speaks well and she doesn't have a backup because of she has a confidence. That's it.
Only one balloon, okay, to everyone. No 4, 4, 5, 5.
So when I talk about spineless, so spineless are he is spineless because he speaks anything what he wants. That's why, and we don't feel presence of him. That's why he is spineless. And second one is vigilant. So vigilant is keep them. So I think that they are vigilant because they always ready for challenges. It doesn't matter who is standing in front of them. That's why they are vigilant. And Scans mate. So Scans mate, troublemaker. So troublemaker is just keep.
So she is troublemaker because she interrupts in the class. Each and every time she interrupts. And second one is Bhavna. She also interrupts in debate when we do debate. So she interrupts. And last one, Coach Potato. Coach Potato is coach. And so guys. She is Coach Potato because we don't feel the presence of her. That's why, and I don't think she should come in academy because she don't speak. She doesn't speak. Confidence with no backup. Because they both are confidence with no backup. When they speak, they have confidence, but they don't know what to speak and when to speak. They speak anything but they won't. That's it.
Sam pose. Okay, so I'm gonna judge student with some words which is underlined on a blackboard. So in my explanation, the first word is spineless, who never takes his and her stand. So definitely says that one girl. I have observed many times that whenever she speaks, if someone roasts her, so definitely she is not gonna to reply him, that one person. So definitely she is a spineless and vigilant person who are always ready for challenges. So definitely sick, because I have observed many time in my previous advance too, because he always ready for any challenges. Even though if I talk about the Eagle round, so he has faced lots of speaker and he has defeated, and I was shocked definitely. So Siv is the vigilant person and scans mad troublemaker. So definitely that is Abdul, because of some anger issue, Abdul speaks whatever he wants, he speaks. So that's why he makes sometimes troubles. So Couch Potato, who is a lazy person, so that is Khushi. So I have given my 1.5 months in 6 to 7 batch, and I observed that she never speaks. If sir says so, then she speaks, otherwise she never speaks. So that's why she is a Couch Potato. And confidence with no wake up, so definitely that is Om, because he has a maybe a single knowledge. I don't know he has a knowledge or not, but if you stand in front of Om, it doesn't matter but who is standing in front of Om. It is Charanjit, Aman Singh, whatever who is, so he will gonna defeat with his way. Okay, so that's why he is a confidence with no backup.
Okay, wait. I'm starting from here because we have 10 minutes and I want 6 to 7 to complete this fast. Okay? Yes. Do it fast. Okay.
Bro, do
Make it
fast.
quick,
Pen.
Okay, in my opinion, spineless person in this batch, that is Vansh, because yesterday's game he didn't speak and everyone was roasting him, and he didn't speak and he didn't take his stand. That's why he is spineless. And second, vigilant. So that is obviously Om, because he is ready for every challenge. If you give any challenge of any game of a English competition, so he is gonna complete it. So that's why he is vigilant. And third, scan mat, troublemaker. So that is obviously Nishwat, because whenever he speaks, if there is team and team game, okay, if he is in our team, so he will speak what he wants. So that's why he can make trouble for us. And fourth, couch potato, lazy person, that is Rishi. Okay, why am I saying to Rishi? Because if you see him anytime, if sir is teaching, so he will feel if you see him, he will feel like he is sleeping. So that's why he is couch potato. And fifth, confidence with no backup. So that is obviously Arushi Didi, because whenever she speaks, she has lots of confidence. She can speak in crowd as well as, but when she speaks, she doesn't know what is she speaking, and she can also she speaks rubbish point which she should not speak as well as.
Okay.
So guys, in my conviction, really,
spineless person is of course she. I will not take her name because many of the time I have seen her. Lots of the people, lots of the students, they abash her. They say whatever they want to say her, but she never try to say anything. She never try anything. So that's why spineless person is she. Skin mate. I think so. She is because whatever. But whenever she speaks, she doesn't know whatever she is speaking. She makes lots of the mistakes. It's not a part of it, but sometimes you make mistake. It's different. But whatever you speak in debate and sometimes you also don't know that what you are speaking. But Coach Potato, of course, I wanna take her name. Whenever you will see, if you see her face, of course you will also feel lazy. Coach Potato with her, you will also say, yeah, I'm not gonna sit with her because I'm feeling very lazy. Because after watching her face, everyone feel lazy. And confidence with no backup. Of course, Abdul. Because sometimes he speaks too good, but sometimes he gives very invalid points wherever he speaks good, but he also doesn't know that what he is speaking, so he is in my opinion.
Okay, next.
Okay, so first word is is silent. So I would like to take the name of Varsha. She is silent because yesterday many of the people, they roasted her that you are this. So she did not even take a step. She was sitting quietly and listening to everyone. That was not good. So the second word is vigilant. That is obviously Pratigya. Just because whenever everybody give her challenge that can you speak in an accent or can you do this, she is always ready for that challenge. Yes, I can do that. That is the good thing in her. And the third thing is Kainsmith. That is obviously Pratiksha. Just because she laughs in middle of the class like you are, means that cannot be counted as overacting, but still that is not good. If somebody is speaking, you are interrupting the class. So she creates the troubles for everyone, even for herself. And the Coach Potato, that is Payal, just because she sits and you all will feel coach, you will all feel lazy with her because her face, after watching her face I even feel lazy that why is she sitting here. Means if I would be at the post of Osbacha, I would have flunked out her because these all kind of student doesn't deserve our academy. And then last one is confidence with no backup. That is Palak, because she speaks whatever she wants, but the confidence she has that for standing and for speaking in front of anyone, that's good. But she doesn't have knowledge. She speaks, I have, what happened is here. These all kind of words, that is not good.
So I think that the spineless person who never takes her or his point, that is Varsha, because many of time we have roasted her, not only me, my whole batch, but she never replied. And the second one is vigilant, of course Bhavna, because she is the only person, because of her whole team can win. And third one is troublemaker, that is of course Nishwat, because whenever we do debate, he starts roasting and people think that we do roast. And Coach Potato, Manya, because at first she never speaks, and whenever she speaks, it looks that she is murmuring. And third one is confidence with no backup, that is of course sorry, that was not clear. Because he speaks whatever he wants. You could see in the Sunday classes many of the time he speaks, but nobody can understand what he speaks.
Spineless person who never takes his stand, who is Varsha. She never takes her stand, and when another batch was roasting our batch, she was not speaking. Vigilant, always ready for challenges, Alexa. She is always ready to accept any challenge. And Skeins made troublemaker. Yes, when we were doing our act, we lost our act because of his. Coach Potato, lazy person. Who is Dolly? She has many of excuses for taking off. Confidence with no backup. Nishwat. He doesn't have any kind of knowledge and he always gives invalid points.
Okay, next. Good, fast guys.
First is spineless person, that is Varsha, because she doesn't take her stand whenever we roast her, so she never speak any single word and she never try to speak. And second is Valiant, that is Vigilant, that is Shiv, because you can give any challenge, he can do it in a jiffy. And Troublemaker, that is Palak, because she keeps on making so many mistakes and she makes lots of mistakes and she just keeps on roasting. Because of her roasting, our batch are famous. And Couch Potato, that is Dolly, because she keeps on making excuse, she doesn't come daily and she doesn't give her best. And Confidence with no backup, that is Palak, because she has lots of confidence but she doesn't have a valid point, she wouldn't have any valid point and she just keeps on roasting. So
Okay, next.
that's
next.
In my perspective, spineless person, it would be Varsha. Because someone is roast her, he never stand. He never stand and she never stand and she never speak a single word. And if you talk about the vigilant person, I can't burst the balloon because there were so many vigilant persons such as Shiv, Om, Hayat, Tapasya, Bhavna and 78 at batch like Amit Bhaiya, Enjoy Bhaiya, Alexa, Pratika. So many disciples, they can always ready for any changes. If you talk about the laziest person, obviously it would be Dolly, because of she comes here daily but not daily. She comes only some days and he never.
Rarely.
She comes rarely and she can't attend. She doesn't attend any classes for time in advance. And if you talk about the termless person, obviously, what's your name? Troublemaker. Nishwad. Whenever we do debate and conversation with a group, he always does bad behavior. He always sir को परेशान करना.
He bother.
He bother for sir always.
He always bothers. Next.
So in my opinion, spineless person is Rishi. Because whenever we roast him, so he doesn't stand. He take stand. And vigilant person, of course, Amit Bhaiya, because of his knowledge and he can and he is ready for any challenge at all. And Troublemaker, I don't know. Couch Potato. Oh, obviously Palak, because she doesn't speak and whenever she speaks, so her face looks like a lazy person. And Confident with no backup, so obviously Manya, because she has I feel like she has confident but she doesn't speak because she doesn't do practice and she doesn't come regular. Pen. Okay, so if I talk about spineless, in my perspective, as far as I know about spineless, so obviously Khushi, because as far
As far as I know about her, she never speaks. Even someone roasted her, she never replies. And if I talk about other one, that is Vigilant. It's in my perspective, Vigilant is Palak because in my perspective, if she is being roasted, even she tries to give her all might. And if I talk about Skin's mate, so in my perspective, she is obviously Payal because whenever sir teaches, whenever sir explains anything, so she doesn't care. She just keep on talking and. Sometimes it can be that she talks to me, sir can think that I'm also talking, but he is nothing like that. And if I talk about Couch Potato, so in my perspective, that is Vansh, because as far as I know about him, he is not visible in the academy. And if I talk about confidence with no backup, so obviously womanship, because both of them speak, sometimes really seems that they are barking because they don't have any kind of stance. And as well as whenever they speak, to be honest, they speak with 2x speed, but they don't know how to speak, how to give rational points at all. They don't know how to counter someone, that's it.
Spinal person is yes, spinal person. Dolly. Because she does not speak a single word, because someone roast her, so she does not speak. And vigilant person, Shiv, because he is gaming for every challenge. And Skin's mate, what is her name? Pratiksha, because she keeps on laughing without no reason. And Couch Potato, Dolly, because she does not come regular, or when sir asks her, so she has a lot of excuse. And confident with no wake up, so Palak, because she has a lot of confidence, but when she speaks for the while, so she does not know what am I speaking.
Next.
Okay, so if I talk about spineless, so that is Khushi. Okay, she doesn't take her stand, and she keeps on being quiet. She keeps on being quiet. And if I talk about Vigilant, he is Shiv and Shivan. Okay, he doesn't have Shiv and Joy. Because Shiv and Joy, because they are always ready to take many challenges, and they do their challenges as well as. And Shane's mate, troublemaker, so that is she doesn't have balloon. So why she keeps on laughing in the class, and she keeps on making trouble in the class. And if I talk about Couch Potato, lazy person, so that is Amit. Now he is looking sleepy, and Daniel sir, he has taunt him lots of time that why are you so sleepy, and that sort of kind of thing. And confidence with no backup, that is Lavan. Lavan, because he speaks whatever he wants, and he speaks without no reason, and he keeps on speaking rubbish thing, and that's all.
Next.
In my okay, give me pen. In my opinion, spineless person is Harsh, because one day it was said by everyone that he is a girl, but he did not take his stand. And second one is Vigilant. So I think that is Bhavna Didi, because she is game for facing every situation. So, and third one is what is Skin's mate is Nishwat. Skin's mate is Nishwat, because I don't know what he speaks. And fourth one is what is it's Mansi, because whenever I look at her, I also feel sleepy. What is that is Lavan.
that is Lavan, because whatever he speaks, no one understands, and he has confidence, but his points are not rational. Is there any more?
Okay, yes, Alexa, you come.
So in my perspective, I think that the spineless person, that is Dolly. Because even if anyone roasts her and if anyone says her anything, so she doesn't speak and she always sit. And if I talk about the vigilant person, that is Tapasya, because she also did her water balls challenge, so she can do anything challenge, I think that. And if I talk about Skins Mate, that is troublemaker, that is Vansh, because he always show that he is very confident and he can do anything, but he always created troubles. And if I talk about Couch Potato, that is Khushi, Payal, and also Varsha. There's so many, but the highlighted student they are, because I think they always only sit, they never speak. And if I talk about confident with no backup, that is Lavan. That is Lavan, because he always think that he is speaking very well and he can defeat also Om, but he never defeat Om. That's it.